Today is our open house. We are very excited to showcase our office space, and our office space doubles as a clothing closet and food pantry. So the student populations that myself and my team work with are our students experiencing homelessness and students in the foster care system, plus a few other at-promise youth that are a director. We invite our families to come in and go shopping. In our closet space and our food pantry, we have a little kiosk where they check in. We just ask them basic information like their name, telephone number for contact information, and the number of kids that are at the school sites. And then they come in and we give them a shopping bag, and we try to make it an experience for them as easy as possible, like they are actually shopping. So we just let them get whatever they want, as much as they need.
It's very exciting.
This is something that Superintendent Todd Lyle and I talked about, dreamed about. We discussed having a place like this for our families to come. Now it's here. It's come to fruition. I think that's what makes it very special, because it's something that I've been thinking of since I came back to Madera Unified, and now just to see it grow and to a year now to actually nice and furnished. We have closet space. It was professionally installed, just to make our families feel special, make them feel welcome. Don't make them feel any less because of their current circumstances. It's just a welcoming environment for them. And like I said, we just try to give them that experience.